Okay, someone asked me about steaming milk, so I'm gonna show you what I know. I practice by using a single drop of dish soap and water, and this is going to act like milk, and you'll see what I mean. First things first, you want to make sure that your steam wand is in the correct position. You want it fully submerged and towards the back of your pitcher. Once you actually turn on the steam wand, you're going to just gently pull down oh so slightly to add air to your milk. This is called stretching it. This is what gives it that foam, but this will make or break your milk. So be careful here. This is where most of the practice is going to be. But once you start steaming, after stretching, do not move that steam wand. Keep it right where it's at so that you can get a nice spin and a vortex going with your milk. Once you're done with that, you'll just knock out some of those larger bubbles and give it a swirl, and you should be left with a nice decadent foam at the top of your milk.